This is the Zebra Intelligent Cabinet, a device management solution to help you solve your problem around user accountability for your Zebra devices. There are three key components to the solution. The physical cabinet itself, which provides the home for the devices. We have a tablet operating the Zebra Access Management System, and that is talking to the third component, which is the applications running on the devices themselves. So let's talk about the physical aspects of the cabinet itself. There are a few elements in the design of this product which are really fundamental to its success. First of all, the interleaf modular design of the cabinet allows for passive cooling. We don't need to add another cooling management system like fans, which absorb more power. We also are RF friendly. So this allows you to still manage your devices, whether it's Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity. We're not creating a Faraday cage. We're still able to manage the devices themselves when they're in the cabinet. When we talk about some of the other aspects. With the shelves themselves in the cabinet, we have large full depth shelves. We also have half depth shelves, which allow you to create a tiering and staggered approach to ensure your users can still get the devices in and out of the cabinet easily. We've also designed the cabinet specifically to allow you to use the charging cradles that you've already invested in. You don't need to buy new charging cradles to work with our cabinet. So by bringing your existing charging cradles to this solution, we are providing a power distribution rail in the cabinet itself that you can connect to. The cabinet itself comes in three different sizes. What we're looking at today is the medium cabinet. We also have a smaller version and an extra large. The extra large is more like a bookcase sort of look and feel. Essentially, it comes down to how many devices you're looking to house at your site, so we can design the solution to suit your specific needs. Another important aspect is the fact that you can actually close the doors and lock them. If you have a need to actually secure the devices themselves, we do have a lockable capability as well. Right at the heart of this solution is the tablet, and for this we chose the Zebra CC6000. It's specifically built for this style of use case. It's a kiosk or customer concierge type unit that is designed to be always on. So we don't have to worry about things like screen burn-in or batteries overcharging, or how we're going to connect that to Ethernet, as an example. The CC6000 has a number of key features or elements that add to its value. Things like barcode scanning, forward-facing cameras. We can start to enhance that use case around user sign-in. When you look at the operation of the tablet and what value it's actually providing in the solution, it's running the Zebra Access Management System, which is communicating to the devices. As devices are taken out of the cabinet and returned to the cabinet, it is using both a combination of charge events and also Bluetooth proximity to determine when the devices leave and are returned. We also use a traffic light system to report on that information: green, yellow, and red. Green's very simple. Those are the number of devices that you have in the cabinet today ready for use. Yellow is how many devices are out on the floor right now being used by your team members. And red, that's the important one, is how many devices have actually gone missing. That's devices that have left the cabinet, a user has not signed in to say that they've taken that device, and you need to know about it. Rather than waiting for, say, a month end or a quarter end report from your device management system, you can use this tool to actually notify you on the day when devices are going missing, and you can go and talk to your team members and find out how to get it back into its home. Let's talk now about your user experience. Let's think about your workers as they start their shift and they take a device out of the cabinet. The first thing that the device is doing is it's recognised that it's left the charger, and it's going to ask your user straight away that they actually need to sign in and be accountable for this device. It's going to ask them to put in a simple PIN. We've got a couple of ways that we can do this. You can literally put in a PIN, or you can also scan a code. So you may have an ID badge, for example, to say, here I am, I'm from the electrical department. I'm going to scan that and it's going to sign me in. If I don't sign in time, the device will actually go into an alarm state and it will put it into the missing status. When I finish my shift, I need to return my device back to the cabinet. One of the things that we've designed into the solution is to use that charge event and also Bluetooth proximity to actually capture that I have in fact returned the device and I've put it on charge. If I don't do those things, the device is still in my name. For your site managers and supervisors, it's important that they have access to information in real time about the utilisation of your Zebra devices amongst your workforce. One of the things we designed into this solution though is to give them access to that information on the tablet itself. We don't ask them to go back to a desktop PC or to wait for reports to arrive. They can see that information when they need it. As an example, with the traffic light system, I can actually click through and understand these are all the devices that are in the cabinet on charge, but I can go to in use and understand who took what device at what time. I can look into missing and understand for devices that have gone missing, when were they last seen? And I can then start to do an investigation to understand how do I get that device back. What devices can be stored in this cabinet? All Zebra Android devices. And the neon lights are optional extra. Whether you're looking for a solution in retail, or warehousing, or healthcare, the Zebra Intelligent Cabinet can help you solve the user accountability problem for your Zebra devices. For more information, please visit zebra.com.